Welcome to the world of seamless printing, where quality meets convenience, and we introduce you to the HP 67XL Black High-Yield Ink Cartridge. Engineered by HP, this cartridge is designed to deliver consistent quality, reliability, and value for your HP printers. Let's explore its compatibility. This versatile cartridge works with a wide range of HP DeskJet and NV series printers, including models like the 1255, 4100, NV6000, and many more. For a comprehensive list, you can find detailed information in your user manual or online resources. One of the standout features of this cartridge is its high yield capacity. According to the manufacturer, it delivers approximately 240 pages of vibrant, fade-resistant prints, ensuring you spend less time refilling and more time creating. But what truly sets this cartridge apart are the real user experiences. According to over 100,000 ratings, users have praised its reliable performance, consistent print quality, and eco-friendly design. One user shared, "The HP 67 Tricolor ink cartridge is a dependable and efficient option for everyday printing needs," while another noted, "Ink was a great value, the item was delivered fast, and the quality of the product was great." Now, let's talk about practical tips. Installing this cartridge is as simple as replacing an old one, thanks to its user-friendly design. However, always ensure your printer is turned off during installation for safety and optimal performance. While this high-yield cartridge offers great value, it's essential to consider your printing needs. If you're a high-volume user, you might prefer an XL version for even more pages per cartridge. There are no known cautions or warnings associated with the HP 67XL Black High-Yield Ink Cartridge. However, always follow the safety guidelines provided in your printer's manual to ensure a smooth printing experience. In conclusion, if you're looking for a high-quality, reliable ink cartridge that works seamlessly with your HP printer, the HP 67XL Black High-Yield Ink Cartridge is an excellent choice. Embrace convenience and elevate your printing game today.